If you find yourself near Waco, this is a must stop. Exit at the Buc-ee's in Temple.
Go east on Highway 53 and don't blink.
Okay, Magellan, which way's that?
If the Buc-ee's is on your right, go right. If your Buc-ee's is on the left, go left.
We're getting closer.
At Green Sausage House, you will find the friendliest people in Texas.
And the best food.
I recommend the spicy fries and the beer batter onion rings.
You can't go wrong with any of these options.
But we are here for the kolaches. Look at these pretty little delicacies.
I'm here for the apple and peach danishes.
And Daddy says that's the coldest not-so root beer he's ever had.
Oh, these danishes. Amazing.
These are those beer battered onion rings. Don't they look delicious?
And my yummy spicy fries. Yummy.
Don't forget to stop at the store. They have everything.
Show you the town.
You can literally stand in one spot and see the entire town.
if you're coming in on the east side of Zabcikville, you know you're getting closer when you see the pretty church.
I hope you enjoyed this event, so